When a relationship or important connection ends, it's completely natural to feel a mix of emotions: loss, confusion, and sometimes even powerlessness. But what if there was a way to regain control, subtly shifting the power dynamic without the other person even realizing it? Dark psychology techniques provide you with powerful tools to influence the thoughts and emotions of the person who left you. By using these strategies, you can make them question their decision and deeply regret walking away. These tactics are not about seeking revenge, but are instead based on psychological principles that can help you reclaim your sense of power and leave the other person haunted by the idea of losing you. Let's dive deeper into 11 advanced dark psychology techniques that will make them reconsider their decision to leave, potentially leaving them with lasting regret. Number 1, the art of disappearing, mastering the power of silence. One of the most impactful psychological moves you can make is to disappear from their life entirely. Silence is a powerful tool in dark psychology because it plays on one of the most fundamental human fears, the fear of loss. When you suddenly stop communicating, you create an emotional vacuum. People are hardwired to react negatively to sudden loss, especially when it's unexplained. The person who left you will begin to feel an overwhelming sense of curiosity and anxiety about your absence. However, the key to making this technique work is not to give any explanation. Simply vanishing without a word leaves them guessing. Every day that passes without hearing from you becomes a day of uncertainty. They will start to replay your last moments together in their mind, searching for clues and questioning what went wrong. The more time that goes by, the larger this emotional void becomes. Eventually, they'll start to miss your presence, and the initial relief they may have felt about leaving will be replaced by regret and a deep longing to know what happened. Number 2, elevate your life to new heights. The power of transformation. Transformation is one of the most potent ways to make someone regret losing you. Instead of wallowing in the pain of the breakup, channel that energy into self-improvement. Use this time to focus on bettering yourself physically, mentally, and emotionally. The goal is to emerge from the separation as a completely transformed person, stronger, more attractive, more successful. This transformation should not be flaunted directly at the person who left you. Instead, allow them to see it indirectly, such as through mutual acquaintances or social media. When they see that you've elevated your life in ways they never expected, it will make them question their decision to leave. People often take others for granted, assuming that they will always stay the same. But when they see that you've grown and thrived without them, they'll realize they might have left someone on the verge of greatness. This realization can trigger deep regret as they come to terms with the fact that they are no longer a part of your journey. Number 3, create emotional distance. Show them you've moved on. Emotional reactions are often expected after a breakup, whether it's sadness, anger, or desperation. But when you show complete emotional detachment, you flip the script. By remaining calm, polite, and indifferent in any interactions you have with the person who left you, you'll create a psychological dissonance. They'll be expecting some sort of emotional reaction, and when it doesn't come, it will confuse and unsettle them. Emotional indifference sends a powerful message. It shows that you're no longer invested in the outcome of the relationship, which can make them feel insignificant. When they realize that you're not heartbroken or trying to win them back, they'll begin to wonder if they made the right choice. This unexpected lack of emotional response can make them second-guess their decision, leading to feelings of regret as they ponder whether they truly meant anything to you at all. Number 4, subtle social media mastery. Crafting the illusion of a perfect life. Social media is a modern psychological tool that can be leveraged to great effect. Instead of posting about your sadness or loneliness, create a curated image of yourself thriving. Share photos of new adventures, friends, and hobbies. Give the appearance that your life has only improved since the breakup. But the trick here is subtlety. You want your posts to seem natural, not staged or desperate for attention. Every time they see you on social media, living a life that looks better than ever, it will stir feelings of regret and jealousy. People tend to idealize what they no longer have, and seeing you living well without them will make them question whether they made a mistake in leaving. The more they see you thriving, the more they'll feel that they missed out on being a part of your newfound success and happiness. Number 5. Subtle jealousy. Introducing the idea of replacement jealousy is one of the most powerful emotions, and it can drive a person to reconsider their past decisions. Without being overly obvious, start to introduce subtle hints that you may be moving on or that others are showing interest in you. Mention new friends, exciting social events, or plans, but leave out the details. This ambiguity is key. Let them fill in the blanks with their own imagination. Humans are programmed to desire what others value. When the person who left you suspects that others may be vying for your attention or affection, it will make them question why they let you go. The thought of someone else taking their place will spark feelings of jealousy and regret. This fear of being replaced can lead them to reconsider whether they made the right choice in leaving you, as they begin to feel that they've lost something valuable. Number 6, the unpredictability factor. Keep them off balance. Predictability offers comfort, but it also breeds boredom. One way to keep someone mentally engaged and thinking about you is by being unpredictable in your actions and responses. The human mind craves consistency, but when faced with uncertainty, it becomes fixated on trying to solve the puzzle. This is where unpredictability becomes a powerful psychological tool. To execute this strategy, avoid creating any patterns in how you interact with them. Sometimes respond to their messages right away, and other times let hours or even days go by before replying. In one interaction, you might be warm and engaging, while in the next, you could be distant or aloof. This back and forth keeps them constantly guessing about where they stand with you. This unpredictability generates an addictive cycle in their mind. Since they can't predict your actions, they will spend more time thinking about you, trying to figure out your motives. This mental preoccupation gradually leads to regret as they start realizing they no longer have control over the situation. The more uncertain they feel about your feelings or actions, the more they'll regret letting you slip away. Number 7. Achieve success without them. Rise above their expectations. One of the most powerful ways to evoke regret in someone is by thriving without them. Success, whether it's personal, financial, or career-related, has a way of making people reflect on their decisions. When they left, they likely had certain expectations about how your life would unfold without them. Surpassing those expectations and achieving milestones they didn't anticipate will force them to reconsider their decision. This isn't about showing off, but rather about genuinely working on yourself. Focus on your goals, break through barriers, and rise to new heights in your life. They'll notice your achievements through social circles or social media. When they see you thriving without their presence, it will highlight that you didn't need them to succeed. This will trigger deep regret because they'll realize they gave up on someone who could have gone far with or without them. Success forces people to confront their own insecurities and shortcomings. They'll compare their current situation to yours and wonder why they let go of someone who was destined for greatness. That feeling of missed opportunity and the awareness that you are better off without them will hit hard, making them wish they had stayed. Number 8, master emotional independence. Detach completely from their validation. Emotional independence is one of the most attractive and empowering qualities you can develop after a breakup. When the person who left you realizes that you no longer rely on them for emotional validation, it creates a psychological shift. They begin to question their importance in your life, and this can lead to significant regret. To apply this tactic, focus on cultivating your own sense of happiness, security, and confidence. Avoid seeking their approval or attention in any form. When they see that you are emotionally stable and thriving on your own, they'll feel powerless. The more they realize you are unaffected by their absence, the more it chips away at their ego. This emotional detachment sends a clear message. They were never the source of your happiness. The realization that you don't need them to feel complete will hit them hard. It forces them to reconsider their role in your life, and they'll likely regret walking away from someone who is emotionally self-sufficient. Number 9, reverse psychology. Act like you're thriving without them. Reverse psychology is a classic but highly effective technique that can be used to make someone regret leaving you. Humans often desire what they can't have, and when you show them that you've moved on and are genuinely thriving, it creates an irresistible urge in them to reconnect. Instead of appearing hurt or longing for their return, act indifferent. Show no signs of wanting them back or seeking validation from them. The more you act as if their departure hasn't affected you and that your life has improved, the more they'll start to doubt their decision. They'll wonder if they were wrong about you and why you seem so much better off without them. This tactic works because it creates a feeling of missing out in their mind. By behaving as if you've moved on effortlessly, they'll begin to question why they left and whether they made a mistake. The fear of having made the wrong choice will lead to regret, especially when they see how well you're doing on your own. Number 10, limit their access to you. Create scarcity. Scarcity is a powerful psychological principle. Humans tend to value things that are difficult to obtain or no longer readily available. By limiting the person's access to you, whether through communication or social interactions, you create a sense of scarcity that makes them crave your presence more. If before the breakup they had easy access to your attention, now is the time to pull back. Be less available on social media, take longer to respond to messages, and avoid situations where they can easily contact or interact with you. This sense of unavailability will heighten their awareness of what they've lost. The less they see or hear from you, the more they'll begin to wonder about you. Scarcity makes people realize the value of what they had, and when you create this emotional distance, they'll start to regret not holding on to you when they had the chance. Number 11, maintain your boundaries. Never be their backup plan. Establishing and maintaining strong boundaries is perhaps one of the most important psychological techniques you can use. If the person who left you tries to re-enter your life, even casually, it's crucial that you don't allow yourself to be their backup plan. Accepting a secondary role in their life sends the message that you don't value yourself, which will ultimately leave them feeling in control. By refusing to be a backup option, you assert your self-respect and communicate that you won't tolerate being taken for granted. This act of self-respect is incredibly powerful because it shows that you value yourself more than they do. When they realize that they can no longer treat you as a fallback, it will make them question their decision to leave. The strength of your boundaries forces them to acknowledge that they lost someone who knows their worth. That realization will likely lead to deep regret as they come to terms with the fact that they let go of someone irreplaceable. These advanced dark psychology techniques aren't about manipulation for the sake of it. They're about reclaiming your power and demonstrating your value. When someone realizes that losing you was a mistake, the psychological impact can be profound. By focusing on your own growth, success, and independence, you can shift the dynamic in your favor and make them question their decision. Which of these techniques resonates most with you? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into dark psychology and how it can transform your life.